How to draw super simple village scenery of children collecting water lily. Start drawing. At first, I have drawn all the figures and other objects with a black marker. But I recommend you to draw with 2B or HB pencil that you can easily erase on some point as your requirement. Follow my drawing and draw it easily. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me on the comment below without hesitation. Our drawing is almost complete. Let's start coloring. Color the river at first with Prussian blue, cobalt blue and sky blue. Don't forget to try this while you are at home, as well as knock me in the comment section if you have tried the drawing. I have drawn all the river. Now draw either grasses with blue-green, grass green and the yellow-green. Now draw the pretty village road with brown and pale orange collaboration. Don't forget to apply the shadow with vindicty brown. Now draw the land with grass green and yellow green. Here is our super shiny sunset sky. Draw the sunset sky with orange, yellow orange and yellow. Don't forget to blend all of the color as much as you can, cause the blending will make your drawing super. Now the cute pretty girl who is collecting the pink lotus, draw her robes with purple and lavender and red. Draw the quite pretty lotus with pink and the boy's clothes with green and blue. Then color the harsh boat with vindicty brown and brown. Put brown and pale orange mix up as their skin tone. Then draw the house with vindicty brown and do outline. Our drawing is complete. Don't forget to try this at home and hit the like button. And if you are new in my creation world, don't forget to subscribe my channel button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ta-ta!